Casitas Las Rosas, built in the early 2000s, primarily consisting of one bedroom, one bath condominium units around 682 square feet. The HOA dues are around $460 per month, which includes 4 community spas and pools. Homes for sale currently are around $300,000. This is one of the few condo communities in La Quinta where short-term vacation rentals are permitted with a city permit. Popular with investors, seasonal residents, and snowbirds due to its rental flexibility. Located near several world-class golf courses, including the resorts and clubs surrounding South La Quinta. Ideal for buyers seeking a lock-and-leave desert property with minimal maintenance. Located directly across from Old Town La Quinta, one of the most walkable areas in the Coachella Valley. Walking distance to restaurants, coffee shops, boutiques, art festivals, and the weekly farmers market. These are fully deeded ownership, not a timeshare or fractional ownership. Attractive, entry-level price point compared to many other La Quinta communities. These condos are all built around the Embassy Suites, which is located in the center of these condos. So you're more than welcome to join the happy hour at the hotel. That's it. I'll see you at the next video.